Sir, sir, may I come in? Yes, come in. Thank you, sir. Sit. Sir, this mine file. Hmm. You studied CA? Yes, sir.
Why did you stop it? I why stopped means I housing is don't know for. But what means I studied. I much studied. I mind mark and all much nice had. But whatever means nothing had we with the money nothing had. We what we is thinking had. That time only I thought means we something should do only or problem only. So I wanted means how also this problem money is. So I what thought means I not studying again from. Then I little work and all search for started. That time before that one work got. So sorry, I didn't understand. Yeah, that worrying because I know mine English all saying it much nicer that all for understand not worrying. So that much only saying. Didn't understand means I was saying I little problem that no no. Yes, by the way, why do you want this job here? Me for here why no? I'm camping nice. Then you also little nice person. Then got means nice no money much getting. Money much got means jolly can do no. That for means I this work for joined it. That only me for that much only say for me for working means I much happy over that much only I say. Uh, Tell me about yourself. Where are you from? Then no more about you. I want to know more about. I mine. I what saying? I a nice person. I mine school is much friends and all those much all. We and all jolly doing it all. Super. We eating it then. We classes are not listening. What is it means? Why because you know me for like that not like that. Why then school and all going simply can why this and all. First, I think at school, what I mean, the friends in time jolly all enjoying it and what are you trying to say? Please say correctly. I can't understand what you say. I think, sir, you little English, like you not for not coming. I think because that time from my English you for Arthali not doing. You have any favorite sports? Do you watch movies? Something? Sports, yeah, IPL watching it. IPL nice story. My favorite player IPL with the Messi, jolly playing. Mumbai Kings were playing it, nice playing. IPL watching, super over. Then I this watching, football watching. Football also jolly over. That sticky catch is running. That time super over. That stick that hockey also singer movies much like I Avengers singer me for Marvel picture much like that I this end games of super in that film I 3 times a theater the English also no English my friends and all Hindi then I sing it I English also means you know no me for and all English you know correct so hey Patel pani la a glass hey not for you for yes sir by the way did you attend English classes in your childhood or in your college I English teaching at my friends were English only don't know I English teaching at no means I like it only my friends tell me for much praising it because I much nice English speaking so I what saying I like that only talent way. I plan doing at Oxford go for English teach for what or sir you like that face doing why what happened you want to say something or becoming emotional come on say sir my family how much problem with that How did don't know. I small from no nothing before the lead for not and nothing. Which also there near which also which also which also what happened? Sir, crying. Oh. Which also shop is near going. Shop is near go and what was asking it for is they giving. Abe Patel Bani lekar aana yaar. How did you know this company? Is this company much famous? I this Google is once searched it. That time this company's name came. That time I saw that English is good English speaking, nice English speaking people want. Then my English with the job guarantee me for my friend also said go there English on the talk. Then that is not talent sir. English should know. Now you foresee my English artham not very. Salary sir you nothing that didn't say how much paisa giving me for. Mine much not 150,000 from up gave me that much only. You 50,000 little me for less I for discounted mine and all 1 lakh up little.
What happened, sir? Blood coming out. Yeah, blood coming out. Hey. Stop it. Stop it. Sir. Get. Yes, sir. Okay. Bye, sir. Thank you.